Hey everyone, thanks for clicking on this video. Today we're gonna make a simple 3-ingredient peanut butter protein bite. These little bites are becoming popular for a good reason. They're simple, portable, and easy to prepare. All you need is a bowl and a spoon, and it won't be that much cleanup at all. Here's what you'll need going in: 1 cup of rolled oats, half a cup of peanut butter, 1/3 a cup of honey, or in my choice is blue agave. Look, if you happen to have chocolate chips, you can toss a handful for a little extra sweetness. They're completely optional, but they add a nice texture. Now let's put everything together. In the bowl, we added the oats, we added the agave syrup. Now we're going to add the peanut butter. Using a spoon, stir everything together until the mixture becomes thick, sticky, and stays together. It's your preference on the peanut butter. I choose creamy. Depending on the peanut butter you're using, you may need to mix for a minute or two until everything is evenly combined. So why do these 3 ingredients work so well? The oats will provide fiber and texture, helping to create the base of the bite. Peanut butter adds healthy fats, proteins, and acts like a natural binder. The agave syrup not only sweetens, but also helps stick everything together without the need of eggs or baking. Once the mixture is ready, scoop out about a tablespoon at a time. One thing I love about this recipe is how easy it is. Like I said, 3 simple ingredients. Unless you want to add anything additional, you can stir in mini chocolate chips, chopped nuts, shredded coconut, chia seeds, flax seeds, or even a sprinkle of cinnamon, or all at once. You can make small changes based on what you already have in your pantry. And let's talk about cleanup for a second. 1 bowl, 1 spoon, that's it. No baking trays, no mixer, and no complicated steps. It's one of those recipes that's beginner friendly and perfect for busy days. And even the kids, if you want to, have them jump in and make this recipe. Whether you're packing lunches, looking for a post-workout snack, or simply wanting something sweet that's quick to make, these peanut butter bite are an easy recipe worth keeping in your rotation.
And then I also picked up a few things this week because a lot of the KD or Florida Barfield, this is KD, has been on sale at Target. And I have been really, the items that I've been picking up, I'll also show you guys those items. What we'll take care about you right now. Okay, because you're a girl, you don't fight. I have my own personal summer, so I cannot stand you.
Once the mixture is ready, scoop out about a tablespoon at a time, like I mentioned earlier. Roll each portion between your hands to form small balls, just like this one, or bigger ones if you want. If you don't feel like rolling them, there's an even easier option. Simply press the mixture into mini muffin liners. The best part is you can enjoy them right away if you choose to, or place them in the refrigerator so they become a little firmer. If you enjoyed this recipe and want more simple, budget-friendly recipes with minimal ingredients and easy cleanup, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next recipe.